Alright guys, big news coming up. Another round of draw under the Express Entry. The PNP program is here finally. A lot of people have been invited. This draw has seen the cutoff, the CRS go really low. I am sharing all the details today in this video. Please be tuned till the end. My name is Sahil. Alright guys, welcome back once again. My name is Sahil and I'm a regulated Canadian immigration consultant and I practice in Brampton, Ontario. My office is here. If you have to get in touch with me, my number is on the screen and my details are there in the description box. More than happy to connect with you. Guys, before we start this video, please make sure that you hit the subscribe button and the bell icon, the like button, because we talk a lot about Canadian immigration. And if you want to come to Canada as an immigrant, then this is a channel that you must be tuned into all the time. So guys, what we're discussing today is one of the most awaited moments of IRCC. Every month, every 15 days, hundreds and thousands of people wait for the Express Entry draw. On November 10th, which is today here in Canada, the Express Entry system held yet another draw, and this time it was the PNP draw again. The cutoff was really low, kept at 685 only. That really means that whenever you get a PNP, you get 600 points. So the actual scores of the candidate were only 85 points. Okay, so that's very low. Historically speaking, in the month of March 2021, the lowest ever that was seen was 682. Now this draw was the second lowest draw. Okay, now 685, imagine the person only had 85 points, right? So 600 were given by the PNP nomination, 685 was the draw. About 775 people were given the ITAs. Hearty congratulations to all of these 775 people. Now this time the score was a tad bit lower than the previous score, where the cutoff was about 744. This time 685. Guys, this really means that the PNP is going to be a big bearer of the flag in the coming days, because we have seen that entire year of 2021 there have been no draws for FSW, right? Everybody has been waiting. I know a lot of people have been waiting for that draw, but nothing has happened. Canadian experience class, in fact, there have been no draws so far in the very recent few weeks. Everybody is waiting for that as well. So guys, let's just see what the year end has in store for us. We are hoping for a big draw coming up really soon for Canadian experience class and the FSW candidates as well. Let's hope the year end brings in a good news. Until then, I wish you all the best, and once again a hearty congratulations to the 775 people who got their invitations. Guys, once again, thanks for tuning in. If you have to get in touch with me, my number is on the screen. More than happy to connect with you. Once again, wish you all the best and see you soon in Canada.